Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Busola of Oradugba, and today I will be showing you how to make this beautiful fringe bob wig.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
So now let's get started. So guys, this is what we are going to do. I am going to list everything I used for this tutorial down in the description box, so please feel free to check them out. I'm going to drop every other details that you're going to need. So I started by mapping out my wig cap. I wanted to do 1 inch apart before. Based on what you can see right here, it was supposed to be 1 inch apart, but I felt 1 inch was going to be very scanty, and because I had 4 bundles of hair, so I decided to do half an inch. So you would see that at the end of the day, instead of having 1 layer on each of the lines, I had 2 layers. So that makes it half an inch per layer. Does that make sense to you? Don't worry, just follow whatever it is I'm doing in the video. You're going to get everything. So guys, I'm going to stop the voiceover right here. I'll just let you enjoy the video. Thank you very much, and subscribe if you are yet to do so. Please and please, that is very important to me. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. Bye for now.
If you're stupid and you know it's nothing wrong, but you and me got a whole other meaning. I don't